In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use REGEXTRACT to pull numbers and letters in Excel. Open Excel, then open the workbook you want to use for this REGEXTRACT example. Once the sheet with the sample data is visible, go to cell B2. This is where you'll extract the first number from each row. Click B2 and type the formula shown on screen to pull the first run of digits from the text string in row 2. As you enter it, this formula is using REGEXTRACT with the pattern \D+. That pattern tells Excel to look for one or more digits grouped together as the first number it can find in the cell. If you need to, pause here and copy the formula exactly as it appears on screen. When the formula is fully entered in B2, press Enter. Cell B2 now shows the first number found in that string. Click B2 again so the cell is selected. Move to the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Double-click that fill handle. Excel copies the formula down through B8, using each row's text automatically. Column B now displays the first number REGEXTRACT finds in each row of your data. Next, move to cell C2. This time you're pulling the first group of letters from each row. Click C2, then type the formula shown on screen for extracting the first run of letters. This version uses a different pattern, and the pattern is open bracket A to Z, close bracket plus. That tells Excel to match one or more uppercase or lowercase letters in a row. Enter the formula carefully as shown on screen, and if needed, pause the video while you type it in. After the formula is entered, press Enter. Cell C2 now shows the first word made up of letters from the text in row 2. Click C2 again. Go to the fill handle at the bottom right of the cell and double-click it. That fills the formula down to C8. Now column C contains the first letter group found in each row. The pattern open bracket A to Z, close bracket plus is matching one or more letters together, so it returns the first continuous word of letters from the original string. Now go to cell D2. In this step, you're not just extracting the first number. You're pulling every number that appears in the row and joining those results together in one cell. Click D2, then type the formula shown on screen. As you enter it, this formula uses REGEXTRACT with the digits pattern again, but here it also uses 1 as the third argument. That third argument is the return mode, and setting it to 1 tells Excel to return all matches instead of only the first one. The formula then uses TEXTJOIN to combine that array of number matches into a single readable result separated by commas. Once the formula is fully typed into D2, press Enter. Cell D2 now shows every number found in the string, joined together with commas. Click D2 again, then double-click the fill handle in the bottom right corner. That copies the formula down to D8. Column D now lists all number matches for each row, combined into one cell per row. Next, click cell E2. This final extraction pulls every letter group in the row, not just the first one. Click into E2 and type the formula shown on screen. This version follows the same idea as the previous step, but it uses the letter pattern instead of the number pattern. REGEXTRACT returns all matching groups of letters, and TEXTJOIN combines them into one cell with commas between each result. Type the full formula exactly as shown on screen, then press Enter. Cell E2 now displays every letter group found in the text for row 2. Click E2 again, go to the fill handle, and double-click to fill the formula down through E8. Column E is now populated with all letter groups from each row, joined by commas. At this point, columns B through E are filled from row 2 to row 8. Column B shows the first number in each row. Column C shows the first letter group. Column D shows every number joined by commas. Column E shows every letter group joined by commas. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.